Hi, welcome to Padai Planet. So today in this video we are going to discuss about a question which I have got from one of my fan followers of my page, of my Facebook page. Thanks Mr. Khalil Khan. So this question I got yesterday from you and here I am trying to explain. So the question is about the weighted mean. What are the weighted mean? So now see, the thing is that there are two kinds of mean data. Of mean of any data. There are two kinds. One is the mean where the data points, these data points have equal weightages, right? And the other kinds is where we have not equal weightages, right? So in this question we are going to understand what are what is the mean value when we have equal weightages, and what could be the mean value when we have not equal weightages, right? So we'll just understand all of it, both of them. Now when we have equal weightages, all we need to do is we need to sum up all these scores which are there. Like in this question we have the percentages scores of different subjects like English, French, mathematics, science and history. Now all these scores, they are these are percentages, so they are basically taken from the total score of 100, right? And there are no weightages, all the subjects are given equal importance. So in this case, when we have equal weightages, or we can say there is no spatial importance, right? When this is the case, then it is very simple to calculate the mean, and that is equal to all of it, which is like sum of the scores or sum of the data values, we can say, right? That's the mean, sum of the data values, and divided by number of data values, right? So that's very simple. So that's what the mean is normally, right? Now we'll add all of them up, so it's like 5 and 12 and 14, 1 carry 8, 16 and 5, 21 and 27 and 6, so that's like 334. This is the total value of the sum of all these percentages, and the number of data value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are total 5 data values. So the answer is going to be 6 and 66, and then we have 8. So that's the mean percentage of the entire data. And now the question is that what will be the mean value if the weightage is not equal. So in this column we have got the the weightages associated for each of the subjects. Now the mean weightage is equal to, the formula for this is mean weightage, or we can say weighted mean. That's the right terminology, and let me just write that also so that we are clear about it. So weighted mean is equal to, that's equal to sigma wx divided by sigma w, right? Now wx is very simple, we will just multiply them, so that's like 2 and 1 carry, so this is like 292. Then we have 6 and 24. Then we have 1 and 2 carries, that's like 171. That's like, then we have 62, and then we have 60. So if we add all of them up, then we get 9, 11, that's 1 and 1 carry, 10, 14 and 21 and 27 and 33, 3 carries, So 578. So 831. That's the value of sigma wx. So we get 831. And in this case, in the case of weighted mean, we do not divide this thing with the, like we did it in the total number of data values. What we do is we divide it with the sum of the weightages which we have. So that's like 4 and 3, 7, 7, 10, 11, and then we have 12. So this is what as 12, and so we get the the mean here is as when we divide it with this. So what we get is 6, and I think I'll have to use my calculator. Just give me a second. Yeah, so this is like 831 divided by 12. So we get 69.25. Right, that's the weighted mean of the data which is given here in the question. Right, so I hope I could explain this and you could understand. It was very simple thing. You may ask me other questions also similarly, provided it has to be of grade 10, so that because I am covering only grade 10 in this and all these playlists and videos, and I'll be more than happy to help you in case I am able to do that. If you can spread this video as much as you can, because I'll be soon starting in the month of Jan free online classes also, wherein you could directly interact with me, and in those classes I'll be taking care of all those questions which will reach to my which will reach to me from my viewers and fans, right? So thank you so much. Thanks, Mr. Khalil Khan. I hope you would understand from this. Thank you so much. Bye bye.